Psalm 131, verse 1 up to 24. O Lord, you have searched me and you perceive me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and my lying down. You are familiar in all my ways. Before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely, O Lord. You have me behind and before. You have laid your hands upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too lofty for me to attain. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to heaven, you are there. If I make my bed in death, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there, your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. If I say, surely the darkness will guide me. Surely the darkness will hide me. The light becomes night around me. Even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will light. I will shine like a day, for the darkness is a light to you. You created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know it full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in a secret place, when I was woven together in the depth of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written from your book, for one of them comes to me. How precious is your thought for me, O God. How vast is the sum of them. Were I to count them, were I to count them, they would outnumber the grains of the sun. When I awake, I am still with you. If you would slay the wicked, O God, away from me, you bloodthirsty man. They speak of you with evil intent. Your adversaries misuse your name. Do I have to hate those who hate you? And abhor those who rise up against you. I have nothing but hatred for them. I count them my enemies. O Lord, you know me and test me. You know my anxious thoughts. See if there is any offensive way in me, and lead me to the way everlasting. Amen.